Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 8th day of October 2025. The setup is pretty much the usual uh, that we do almost every day. We take the strong candle indicator and trades that we took in the room of the day. So here we go. We have a strong candle. We come down. We failed multiple times at this level right here. There's Fibonacci reasons for that. And then we turn around and we're going to grab this strong candle in the opposite direction. This one's unique in the fact that the risk is very, very small. The option to go for bigger targets is there. You can see the PVI. We expect the next candle to be somewhere around 40 ticks, but we're going to continue with our 16, 31, 61 ATM, and we'll go from there, de-risking the trade after our first target has been hit. And this is how it looked in the room today. We're going to buy. I'm waiting for the market to push down. We'll just go through a regular. It's pushed up first, but it'll push down first. We need a retrace first. So let it go. We want it to come down. There's a moving average here, and we'll wait for the retrace first, and then we'll enter the trade. Okay, hung up on some brick walls. We've been up and over those brick walls before. So again, I want this to push down. That could be good enough, but needs to do better than that. Okay, there's a nice push down. Put our order on and just wait, because if it wants to keep going short, we create another stair step short. We have to give it that opportunity to do that. Now, if we get picked up here again, highly likely we're going to get not at least our first target out, but probably the second one as well. All right, so now we wait. We'll just speed it up a little bit. The stop is pretty much where it needs to be. You can tighten it up a little bit if you wanted to. So really, we only have about 20, 25 ticks worth of risk on this trade, which is exceedingly low for the strong candle indicators. Those strong candle indicators are only available at samuraidaytrading.com, and they are amazing. So it's pretty easy to learn how to trade with them. First target's out. You see, we de-risked the trade completely. It only saved us 10 ticks. If the market comes down, takes us out at break even, we get the opportunity to re-enter the trade if we want to. So first two targets are out, and this is a moving average from the 5-minute chart. It could be a problem, but we're free rolling at this point, so we're just going to let it roll out. We're almost done with the first candle, and pretty close to PVI, around 40 to 50 ticks, and we're done with that. Now, we could actually enter this trade again, and it took out our last target on this trade. That trade was worth 610 US dollars. So if you want to, and it only took what 5 minutes and 20 seconds, something like that. So if you want to come and learn how to make $600 in 5 minutes and 20 seconds, come join us at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. God bless you and have a great day. We'll see you next time.